How to redeem the saving bonds. Hey guys, and let's get started. On today's video is about a Treasury Direct whereby you can manage and save your bonds. So in order to redeem the saving bonds, it is a snap. Just a few clicks and the funds can be directed to your payment destination. The process to do it is first of all select a security to redeem. After that, you can request a full or a partial redemption. Once you have selected it, you can review your request and edit any necessary informations. Then after you can click on submit and print your confirmation. And that is up how you can redeem. Likewise, you may also schedule reinvestment of treasury marketable securities when you complete a purchase request through the Buy Direct. So this is how you can redeem the bonds. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.